In today's session, we'll discuss about sorter transformation. Okay, I will tell you about how we can use sorter transformation and then in which scenario we can use sorter transformation. So sorter transformation, if we compare to SQL, in SQL whenever you want to sort a data set, you are using a order by clause, right? So same way, if you want to sort a data in ETL pipeline, so in IICS we have a sorter transformation which we can use, and then we can sort a data. If you are reading a data from database, then easily you can write a query in SQL override, and you can mention order by clause there to sort a data. But in case if you are using a flat file, then how you are going to sort a data? There you can't write a query, correct? So for that, IICS provided a feature that's a transformation, a sorter transformation, where you can sort a data. Okay, so here you can see I have created a new mapping for this particular requirement. So I have added a source, target, and then sorter. Sorter, you can select it from the transformation list here, or you can add it like this, and you can search for a sorter transformation. So like this also you can add. Okay, as I have already added it, I will remove this. Okay, then connect this to target. So it's easy to sort a data in Informatica. So here for source, I'm not going to change anything here, just I will provide a connection details. As usual, I'm going to use a default connector provided by Informatica, and then I will use the existing data itself, the sample data set provided by Informatica. Okay, so if we preview a data, we'll see we have ID, account ID, last name, first name, and here you can see first name, it was not ordered. Okay, so it was scattered, it was not in the alphabetical order, right? So now for this particular example, what we do, we'll sort a data based on first name. Okay, so for that, in source you are not doing anything, just you are configuring a connection, and then you are selecting a data set. In sorter, okay, incoming fields, if you want to select everything, you can select it, otherwise you can filter columns. So I'm going to select everything. Okay, and then in the sort section, so here you can select based on which column the Informatica has to sort a data. Okay, so here based on first name, we are giving a sorting order, like whether it needs to sort a data based ascending order or descending order, so that you can do. Okay, and once this is done, this configuration is complete in the sorter. And then in the target, so let's select all columns, and then I have a target connection in my local system, and the file I am going to create, that I will select create new at runtime. Okay, so I will give a name as sorted data dot csv. Okay, and the formatting option, it would be comma separated, and then yeah, that's it. So this is it, the sample mapping. Let's save this. Yep, it's a valid one, so we don't have any error in this particular job. Let's run it. Let's see whether we'll get the data set as per our requirement. Okay, so job is running now. So it's showing starting. Now it's running. Okay. Let's wait for some time to get execute and then get complete. So now it was showing 503 records processed. Yeah, so now it got completed. Let's check the data set. Okay, for that I'm not going to I'm not showing it in the target directory location. I will show it in this window itself. Okay, so here my local connection. Okay, and then select the file which we have created. So sorted data set, this is the file name. Okay, so let's preview our data. So we have processed everything, right? You have seen that the source data where first name it was not in the sorted order, but now you can see it was sorted in a ascending order, right? So try to use sorted transformation in your requirements, in your jobs, and then let me know for any issues. Thank you for watching.